This election is about the economy, stupid. It's not about all those other useless things about who built how many.
All right, so President John Dramani Mahama and Dra meeting with the press. This summer, what they two Jane say, obestate achiche nkofo a omuwo internet so a ombe cassette ya na aban sa na o patchere o si obestate say obecheche nkofo na ombe kafu achire na aban enu ena ya adwen ho na ya kofa President John Dramani Mahama 2024 video bia or catchre Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia say we're very stupid until he should stop nagging and talk about the economy. Or see hey ebusia by ne who President John Dramani Mahama who sang the catchre say uba bechin kofua on do that will speak hate speech against your government. Forgetting say time now war opposition, you were encouraging people to do the same thing. Even you stood on so many platforms. We are painful kromasi. You did it all in the name of politics. By the spoon that you used to feed the NPP then, you don't want to take it from the same spoon. And no house is here. But the question is, what are you afraid of? Why are you afraid, President John Dramani Mahama? What are you afraid of? What are you seeing that we are not seeing? What are you afraid of? Automatically, you have failed the country. So you just want to shut people down so that they don't criticize your government. The
National Signals Bureau now has the technology to use your IP number and find you wherever you are. So I'm sending a signal to Ghanaians that we can find you those doing those hate speech and things. We'll use your IP number, we'll trace you. And when we trace you, we'll deal with you under the criminal code for inciting violence and disturbance of the peace. But I believe that beyond that, we must start making regulation for this new media because it's unregulated. And so anybody just takes a phone and says, oh, this plane crash, I wish that so and so had been the one in the helicopter and had died, and dwarfs have eaten him in the forest. I mean, why would you say something like that? And so we need regulation for that new emerging media. But in the meantime, the National Signals Bureau has been given the full authority to track down people who do that kind of thing. This election is about the economy, stupid. It's not about all those other useless things about who built how many compost plants. Answer the 5 simple questions. And you can't hide behind the debates. You don't need the debates to answer the 5.
I didn't say anybody is a Sakawa. I just reposted. I read a statement by Isaac Odongo.
Right.
He made very good arguments, and actually my mind was on the body of the arguments he made, and so I reposted what he.
So you didn't see Achin Sakawa and all that?
It didn't come to me as anything that I thought about. I saw his post. I just reposted it because the arguments he made there, for me, it was the arguments he made there that were very cogent, and that's why I reposted it. But I don't want to defend that issue or go into a debate about it. The point is, I'll just say, when we all talk about Italian mafia, does it mean all Italians are mafia? No, just tell me.
Abusia, this is the same president that is telling us, Obi Obekafu Achena Baimbiano Obechino. This is the same president that stood on platform. A friend and Akachena Nando Danko Akufado say, Nando Danko Akufado live shorter because we need him. This is the same president that is telling us this, that he's coming to arrest people that are going to talk against his government. Abusia, this is not needed. What are you afraid of, Mr. President? What are you afraid of? The spoon, you see, the way you feed us is the same thing that they are giving back to you. Now you are not ready to receive what you were giving to us when you were in opposition. You were giving us back to back. You sponsor people. Kevin Taylor is working free. Who did Kevin Taylor back Kurumasi? Yahu baby ayache Kevin Taylor and some in our court, you know. The only thing that we realized is that Kevin Taylor have been to court and the court has freed him or something like that. But today you are telling us, oh, be chinko for a brana, unko for na, or muyi yanko for krumhabo. Now where were you, President John Dramani Mahama? Were you sleeping by then? Now then. Are you telling us that you are just coming to arrest the NPP people and no pay? Now almost the same kind of thing in there. You are not going to do anything about them. This is time for you to arrest. Start from your house. If you really mean to say resetting Papa Bia, and they start from your house. Start arresting them. Even you could to a black oneself should resign. All those people, we have them, Sami Jemfi and others, Jata, them, all those people should.
Ghana ha, ye Ghana na yehu, nena Kevin Taylor or the year or mine Ghana and paying for binim, Sabi iron for a case for binim crown more Ghana ha. Kevin Taylor to me na whole coin, your money your form, a cansam, a bimu, a gu amount nipe bre who feel Ghana ha. But because of say because of so oye campaign Emma NDCT me ka Kevin wasem oba Ghana mo man the police ayi per na man foka mo man the police ayi our police for crab on ho ban. It is alleged sir it is alleged say mo bon ho ban oba Ghana mo ntumi anche no mo ntumi anche Kevin. When normal air Ghana, President Mahama, who say we reset Ghana. We say for the past 8 months, I will buy Munu. Yeah, Shana, who you na? It is baby. I say, who pass over reset Ghana. You are not for the usual business now. Among for your other politicians in the year. Now me be so. Say Ghana and Papa na will reset here. And then they see who quite say Kevin Taylor or mine Ghana even odi otu fompo any monyam. I odi otu for Sabi odi nanim aya from Sabi. Montumi ankana hwe montumi anya hwe. Odi mpan for me bratam. One will say you to no na Asia Kevin Taylor. I say Kevin Taylor. Oye adidi atamfo nyina hene. Oye adidi atamfo nyina chiame. Oye adidi atamfo nyina president. Yakwa kwam say Ghana Kevin Taylor na ya president no. Because in the Akukosui, or Timmy Cocotina, but no cocoa ni page say, or be no bet me, Siano. Got a question or no, I am money license, and I say, or Timmy can or Pebia or Ghana has say. I am pastor, Kevin Timmy can or Pebia or Ghana, with all due respect. Mine was this always I think Ghana. As I shall say free through. As I said, resetting, as just a free through. Konemu ye a party bi about by mu biano e be man ko fo bi so kwan amamo ye ne e say omo ye me Mr. President esema make free makuma mu pa na make san ansem we mo man no kuranya adwuma e kwakwayam say mo de Kevin Taylor pa ma no ne ope na oye ono nkwa no ye Ghana ni ono nkwa na owo hu to me say bi o kan nsem bia ensem fata. God bless Ghana.
Abuja, and the country where I was here, the president of the land will be concerned about social media comments. Instead of arresting corruption, instead of fighting corruption, you are fighting media comment. Corruption in your doorsteps. This president couldn't fix out any one person out. But to me, but he's now fighting media people. Nkola social media so and now your 24-hour economy has not come. That is not your biggest fear. You are not thinking about that. What you are thinking about is fighting with Nkola and internet and also social media comments. That is your problem. Instead of fighting corruption, bro. Is this how did we get here? And I'm sorry, I'm saying abai papa ni. Wuna wo sorry yezu is up to now. Ya ma we juma. E juma na yesi ye de be ma won. One job, 3 people, 3 shifts. Wunye bi wo. Ba usa uti ho e komo di wo. Usa ka tell say abai papa ba. Yo yati.